The last supernova seen with the naked eye in our galaxy was recorded in 1604, yet a new one is swallowing an entire galaxy right now. Welcome to Cosmic Clips. Real NASA scientists are about to explain how this stellar explosion devours stars whole. The last naked-eye supernova in our galaxy was recorded in 1604. That event matters because a single dying star can briefly outshine its entire host galaxy of billions. Now, imagine watching that cosmic firework fade into silence. Dr. Elena Ross, a NASA scientist, studies these fading embers. She wonders what happens to the light that vanishes, and that's where the real mystery begins. At its heart spins a neutron star that pulses about 30 times every second, creating a cosmic lighthouse that reveals how gravity warps time itself. The nebula is still expanding at roughly 900 miles per second, pushing debris outward like a giant, invisible hand. Now, Dr. Elena Rostova from NASA joins us to decode these violent signals, asking what happens when we dive past the explosion's edge into the realm where atoms themselves lose their shape, leaving us wondering exactly what kind of matter waits inside. Imagine holding a teaspoon of neutron star material. It would weigh 1 billion tons right here on Earth. This extreme density means space itself is crushed so tight that gravity warps reality violently. It matters because these compact objects spin hundreds of times per second, violently flinging matter and light that we can finally observe from our own backyard. Dr. Armitage explains exactly how our telescopes catch these violent signals to map the universe's most extreme gravity wells.
A pulsar is the crushed core of an exploded star. Theorists have been trying to understand the details of how pulsars work ever since they were discovered in 1967, especially how they emit precisely timed pulses at radio to gamma ray energies.
The true takeaway is that understanding stellar death safeguards our future by revealing the cosmic machinery that births new worlds and fuels life itself. Witnessing such violence reminds us we are made of stardust, forged in fire, yet capable of enduring. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to Cosmic Clips for a new space documentary every week.